everyone, and welcome to Alicia's Magical Kitchen. Today we're starting a infinite part series of the unofficial Harry Potter cookbook recipes that I got from Target for 20% off. Can't get the sticker off, but it's fine. We love Target. I wanted to start this series because I love Harry Potter and I love cooking. It's just a passion of mine now. I just love it so much. In today's series, we are going to start with the very first recipe, English fried eggs and a gammon of bacon. I hope I said that right. So without further ado, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like if you do enjoy it. Let's get cooking. Does Harry sometimes remind you of Cinderella? He has to cook, he has to clean. Often he plays the role of breakfast chef at the Dursleys. And the morning of Dudley's birthday is no exception. Aunt Petunia darkly warns him not to burn breakfast. This happens in Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, Chapter 2. Thank you, Unofficial Harry Potter Cookbook. So eggs and bacon doesn't sound very posh, but some 400 years ago, it was the breakfast of queens. Henrietta Maria, queen consort of England and wife of King Charles I, would finish off a fancy breakfast with a simple dish of poached eggs and bacon. In England, a rasher is used to refer to a slice of bacon. I did not know that. That is very cute. For today's recipe, we need 2 rashers or slices of bacon and 1 tablespoon of lard or bacon drippings reserved from frying, which that's what I'm gonna use is the bacon drippings, 2 large eggs, and then salt and pepper to taste. So we are going to go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna make breakfast for my husband, Cameron, and I. He loves Harry Potter just as much as I do. Just kidding.
Nerd!
Okay, so let's get started. To pan fry the bacon, heat a skillet or saute pan over medium-high heat. Lay the bacon carefully in the pan. Let the bacon cook for 2 minutes, then using a pair of tongs or a fork, turn the bacon and cook for 2 minutes more. Now, I know for a fact that the tongs are in the dishwasher right now, and I'm not gonna bother with cleaning them, so we're gonna use a fork. Continue cooking and turning every 30 seconds until the bacon reaches desired crispiness. We like our bacon crispy here. Remove the bacon and let it drain on paper towels. Drain all but 1 tablespoon of fat from the pan. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Break the eggs into a small bowl. When the fat begins to sizzle, add the eggs and season with salt and pepper to taste. Fried eggs are served by a degree of doneness. Sunny side up, over easy, over medium, or over hard. For sunny side up, cook the eggs for 4 minutes or until the white is set and firm. For over eggs, add the eggs to the pan and let cook for 3 minutes. Carefully flip the eggs using a spatula and cook as follows. Over easy for 2 minutes on the second side, over medium for 2 minutes, 15 seconds, over hard for 2 minutes, 30 seconds, or until the yolk is completely firm. You can also break the yolk before turning for over hard. Now, what eggs do you think we should do today, Cameron?
I don't care. Cooked? Raw. Raw. No, just put
okay,
raw.
Raw. It didn't say anything about scrambled, so...
This recipe is a disaster.
Let's do sunny side up. Okay, so we're gonna cook the eggs for 4 minutes or until the white is set and firm. So I forgot to season the eggs. Totally forgot about the pepper. Can I reach around you here, honey? Thanks. Okay, pepper. We're just gonna hope that this works after they've been on there for pretty much the entire time. Also, this robe, not the best around fire, but luckily there's no open flames, so I think we're okay. Smile for the camera breakfast. This is my plate of smiley bacon and eggs, the English fried eggs, and a gammon of bacon. Here we are. Cameron and I are going to try this bad boy and see if my breakfast, well, if the unofficial Harry Potter cookbook breakfast holds up to what I regularly make him for breakfast, which is nothing. Oh.
Hello.
Okay, so we are going to try my English, my smile. We're twins.
Its eyes just droop
Oh,
hard.
yeah, they did. So we are going...
When you smile, but the stroke hits.
Let's see if we can get a shot of the egg. It's supposed to be sunny side up. Let's see if it is. It's absolutely not. But
fried.
That's okay. Oh yeah, it is
That's
fried.
a fried egg, absolutely.
Well, English fried eggs and a gamut of bacon. All right, so a piece of bacon for you, a piece of bacon for me. Let's try this puppy out. Give it a whirl. That's delicious. I'm an awesome chef.
It's literally bacon and eggs.
10 out of 10.
My talents truly know no bounds.
Don't try this at home, you guys. I'm just kidding.
Extremely difficult recipe.
Definitely try
I can't
this
even
at
get it
home.
on the fork. Oh my god.
Because it's so good and delicious, right?
I'm gonna say that this tastes a lot like bacon and eggs to me.
But good, no?
I mean, it's bacon.
And eggs.
I'm gonna give it like a 1 out of 10. Not very exciting. It's good.
What was the first recipe in the book?
I don't understand why this is Harry Potter though.
Because this is what Harry Potter would have made for the Dursleys.
Didn't it say Harry screwed this up? Harry, how the hell did you mess this up?
No, it didn't.
It's like 3 steps.
It didn't say he screwed it up. What are you even talking about?
Oh, it didn't?
I don't think so.
Isn't that what it said? Like, hey, don't burn the breakfast, and he burns the breakfast or something? I was like half listening. Tastes a lot like bacon and eggs. Not very magical.
I think 10 out of 10. That was a very
Okay.
good breakfast. I recommend trying if you haven't. I'm sure everyone's tried bacon and eggs though.
If you've never tried this bacon and eggs combo before, I highly recommend it. Callie's behind us, just begging.
But this is the first part, like I said, of this new series I'm doing. There will be lots of complicated things as well as probably more easy things like this was. But I wanted to just start it off with an easy recipe.
Because it's all downhill from here.
Yeah, and plus, it was the very first recipe, and I just wanted to get it over with because it's bacon and eggs. Like, I like bacon and eggs, but it's so simple. And we want to get complicated and magical over here. So
How many episodes do you think before she ends up in tears?
So look forward to lots more episodes of this Harry Potter series, but also comment below and let me know if there's any other magical treats you want me to make, because I definitely want to make some spooky treats, like Halloween themed treats for this. Well, kind of for this series. It'll be Alicia's Magical Kitchen, but it won't be Harry Potter. It won't be from the unofficial Harry Potter cookbook. But anyways, I've kept you guys long enough. I give this recipe a 10 out of 10 because you can't mess up bacon and eggs. Everyone can do it, and it's super good and good for you. Well, is bacon good for you? Anyway, I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you did enjoy it, and let me know any recipes you want me to try out in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Sure you want to point that at me? Isn't that
Wait,
dangerous?
wait. I'm gonna do Wingardium Leviosa, and then can you pretend to like lift up? Wingardium Leviosa.
It's Leviosa, not Leviesa.
No, it's not Leviosa. Wingardium Leviosa.
Oh.
I'm a wizard, Harry.
Do it and I'll lift
Come
you. No, God.
here. Come here. Take it. I need you for a funny.